Hi everyone, welcome back or to my channel. It's Love Beauty here, and today's video is all about natural dewy summer makeup. And I'm wearing this floral kind of top because I think that it matched really well with the theme of summer and everything. So if you want to know how I got to this makeup look, keep watching. And a quick disclaimer, if you guys are new here, please do subscribe if you want to. It would really help me out, and like the video if you do enjoy these so I know to make more in the future. So without further ado, let's go! Okay, so first you want to make sure that your face is moisturized and hydrated, because whenever you put any sort of like foundation or like product on your face and your face is not moisturized, a lot of the time people complain about cakey makeup, and that's because your face is not moisturized. So I always make sure to put a little extra on my face. And I'm gonna go in with the Say Slip Tint because this is the most natural for me. Pretty much it's like evens out my skin tone super nicely, and I really love it. Now you don't need a lot, you really need a little bit. And I'm just going to start by putting like that much on this side of my face to sort of even out my skin texture and skin tone. And I do like to use my fingers to blend because I find that it's a little bit more like easy and effective for me rather than a beauty sponge. So a lot of influencers, I know they do use a sponge. I just find that it doesn't work as well as my fingers does to really blend it into my face. So now I have this sort of sheer coverage that's all over my face, but I do still need to cover up a couple of pimples that I have that are forming on my face. So we're gonna go in with the NARS Creamy Concealer. This is in Creme Brulee, and just a tiny dot on each, and then I'm gonna let it sit, and wherever else I see some little blemishes I will add more concealer there, and then you just let it sit for like a good 2 minutes. So while I'm letting that sit, I'm thinking that I'm going to go in with my brow gel, which is actually a brow gel mascara, which is really like cool. It's from Essence. I'm using the darkest shade, which is Brownie Brows, and this, in my opinion, is way better than a pencil because it really just fills in your eyebrows without you really needing to try. Like, I literally am just applying it and it's making them darker already. Can you see that difference? I actually recently just got this product and I'm so obsessed with it because it's so perfect for on the go. You don't have to spend like hours and hours like doing your makeup, and then especially brows. I know brows take so long, especially for me. I do have really light eyebrows because my hair is light brown, and it can just be such a hassle in the mornings, especially if you are like rushing in the mornings. This brow pencil's amazing, and it honestly defines my eyebrows really nicely, and it's pretty quick too and very easy. And not to mention, this is so affordable. I totally forgot to say that this one was like $3 or $4 at my drugstore. Look at that. Brows are snatched. So now I'm just gonna blend the concealer in with my fingers because I think it's been sitting for long enough. See how they basically almost just disappear into my skin, and it's like less noticeable than they used to be? That's why I love concealer. And the next thing that I'm going to do is my mascara, and I use the L'Oreal Telescopic, and I actually don't curl my lashes beforehand. I don't know what it is. I just only really brush through them with like a spoolie, but I can't even find my spoolie right now, so we're not going to curl them. We're just going to go straight into mascara. I would say that my trick is to start at the end and then work your way in. As well as blinking, but you know, not too much. And you just blink. And I really like it because it makes them look really natural. And that's kind of the look that we're going for this summer. Not too much. And if you are, you know, a lash, like false lash wearer, you could definitely like wear that instead of mascara. Or if you have like lash extensions, then that's fine. You can obviously skip this step. But I like to go in with a couple coats on my eye like that. And it looks really natural. But you see how I have like some on my lid? I'm gonna take it off with this. I'm gonna put some makeup remover and I'll be right back. Okay, I put some makeup remover on it. And now I'm just going to take the excess off with the Q-tip. And I'm just gonna do my other eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, both of my eyes are now done. So now I'm just gonna put concealer under my eyes as well, and then we're gonna move on to blush. So I only really like to put a little bit because I find that the more that I put, the more that it ends up creasing and like paling. So with my finger, I just really gently blend that in because I find that the less that I put, the better that it looks for me personally, but you can obviously add more if you do prefer that. This is just what I like for my under eye. I just find when I put too much product, it really builds up and doesn't look that good. I'm just doing the other eye, and then just gonna blend that in with my finger. And you don't want to be aggressive with your under eye area because that is a really sensitive part of your skin and you don't want to cause any wrinkles. So yeah, that's my concealer. And now I'm going to move on to blush. So for blush, I also use the Essence one. This is the Baby Got blush. I swear by this. This product, honestly, look at this. So you just swipe a little bit like that, like a little dot. I like to put a little on the tip of my nose and then another one right here. And then you just blend. I like to use a brush for this, and you just blend. And to give you that sun-kissed look, you want to sort of blend it across your face like that, so it looks like the sun just sort of kissed your cheeks and like the middle of your face. And this is the most crucial step in my opinion, is like getting that little like kind of sun-kissed or sunburnt look without the actual sun damage. And now you've got this beautiful blush sun-kissed look. And next I'm just going to do some bronzer. This is the bronzer that I use. It's from Rimmel, and I just like to go right around here. I'll show you. And I find this also helps you look really sun-kissed with that. You just want to go like that. You can't forget highlighter. I use the NYX Jumbo Pencil. And I just like to put a little bit on my nose, on the bridge, inner corner, and then right here. And then obviously blend so it doesn't look crazy. And then to finish it off, I'm going to use my Summer Fridays lip gloss or lip butter balm on my lips to give it a little gloss. And you're done! Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day or night. Bye!